Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Charge the headset to at least 1/2 and power it off, because a low battery can interrupt a reset. Once done, unplug the dongle from your PC or console and remove any nearby wireless interference. Make sure Bluetooth on other devices is off. Next, inspect the dongle for a small pairing or reset hole so you can access it with a paperclip. This quick prep avoids partial resets and gives the headset a stable power state to accept new pairing commands. With the headset off, press and hold the power and the mute or pairing button together for about 10 to 12 seconds. You're forcing a factory-style reset that clears stored pairings. Next, insert the dongle into the PC or console, and if present, press its reset hole with a paperclip for 3 to 5 seconds so the receiver clears prior pairings. After reconnecting, watch the LED. A quick flash sequence means pairing mode. Then a steady light confirms a successful link. If it fails, repeat the sequence once. Power the headset on and give it 20 to 30 seconds to complete the handshake with the dongle. You should hear or see confirmation. Then verify audio, microphone input, and battery status in your system settings. These confirm the reset truly fixed pairing problems. If audio or mic still misbehaves, update the headset firmware and try another USB port or a powered USB 2.0 hub. Troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, clear other nearby wireless devices, then repeat the reset step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.